right, let's look at this trigonometric question. If sine of theta equal to x over 2, we want to know what is the value of cos of 2 theta. And the value of cos of theta, of course, we want it in terms of x. That's what we want. But we have this double angle cosine. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to change that using the Pythagorean identity. So remember that cos of 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. So we need this. Without this, we will not be able to solve this problem. So make sure that you know what this is, okay? And you can look at the proof of it as well in the trigonometric section. All right, so now that we have this, we're going to go ahead. All right, so we have cos 2 theta equals to 1 minus 2, but sine of theta is x over 2, so we're going to put x over 2 all squared. Okay, simple as that. And to simplify that, we'll get 1 minus 2 times x squared over 4, and last part, cos of 2 theta will be 1 minus x squared over 2. You could add these two fractions, but not necessarily. I'm sure you can do that. All right, that's about it.